Good morning, Sr.1 students. Greeting for you from royalty. We hope that you are okay and safe away from the coronavirus. Today, inshallah, I'm going to explain Unit 4 for Sr.1 students in the OL curriculum. It's about the relative pronouns. In English, we have some relative pronouns that are used to join two sentences together by one condition, that these two sentences have a repeated piece of information. According to the repeated piece of information, we choose the suitable relative pronoun. So again, the relative pronouns are words that connect or join two sentences together by one condition, is that there is a repeated piece of information between the two sentences. We delete the repeated piece of information from the second sentence and choose the correct or the suitable relative pronoun. The relative pronouns are who, whom, which, that, whose, where, when, why, and what. They are 9 relative pronouns. Each one of them has the same grammatical function, is to join two sentences together, and the two sentences have a repeated piece of information. The first one is who. We use it when the repeated piece of information is an animate. What's the meaning of animate? Animate means a person, someone who can think. If you have two short or shabby sentences, include a repeated piece of information, and this repeated piece of information is about an animate, we delete the name of the animate from the second sentence and join them together, creating or making one sentence using the relative pronoun who, and this is the example. This is my uncle. This is the first shabby or short sentence. The second one is my uncle plays tennis daily. Here we have two shabby sentences. They are shabby, too short. They have to be connected together, creating one long, complete sentence. I'm going to delete the repeated piece of information from the second one. My uncle. I'm going to delete it from the second one. My uncle is an animate, a person who has the ability to think. So I'm going to connect them together using the pronoun or the relative pronoun who. I'm going to say, this is my uncle who plays tennis daily. Then I'm going to move to the second one, which is who. Who is another relative pronoun that joins two sentences together, and the repeated piece of information between them is an animate also. But what is the difference between them? Who can be used when the animate is the subject or the object of the sentence. The subject is the doer of the action, the one who made the action. The object is the receiver of the action. I can use who to connect two shabby sentences together when the repeated piece of information between them is an animate, whether this animate is subject or object. But who is used to join two sentences together when the repeated piece of information is an animate, when this animate is object only. This is the example. This is my uncle. This is the first sentence. The second one, I visit my uncle every Friday. This is the second one. Here again, I have two shabby or two short sentences. The first one is, this is my uncle, and the second one is, I visit my uncle every Friday. The repeated word or the repeated piece of information between the two sentences is my uncle. I'm going to delete it from the second, not the first sentence. And I'm going to join them together, creating one complete long sentence, which is whom. This is my uncle whom I visit every Friday. I can use who in the second sentence also, because it can be used to join two sentences together, whether the repeated piece of information is the subject or the object animate. But in the first one, I can use who only. It's not allowed to use who, because the first one, my uncle is the subject, the doer of the action. But in the second one, my uncle is the object. I am the subject. I is the one who is the subject. And my uncle is the one who is visited by me every Friday. He is the object of the sentence. Then which is a connector that is used to join two sentences together, and the repeated piece of information between them is inanimate. Inanimate means an animal, an object, a tree, etc. Something who doesn't have the ability to think. And here is the example. This is my dog. I bought my dog last week. Here, the repeated piece of information between these two shabby sentences is my dog. I'm gonna delete it from the second sentence and join them together, creating one long complete sentence using the relative pronoun which, because my dog is inanimate, it's not a person, it doesn't have the ability to think like humans. So I'm gonna say, this is my dog, which I bought last week. Then I'm gonna move to that. That can be used to join two sentences together when the repeated piece of information is animate or inanimate. So it can be used to replace which, who, and who. Here, I can say this is my uncle that plays tennis daily, and this is my uncle that I visit every Friday, or this is my dog that I bought last week. But there is a small note about it. Look, when I say this is my father, my father is a doctor. Here, the repeated piece of information is my father. I'm gonna delete it from the second sentence and join them together using who, because my father is a person. I'm gonna say, this is my father who is a doctor. If I want to add an extra piece of information that can be deleted without affecting the meaning, I'm gonna say, this man, comma, who is a doctor, comma, is my father. When you find these two commas, this means that this is a non-defining relative pronoun. What do I mean by non-defining relative pronoun? It means that it can be deleted without affecting the meaning. What is between the two commas can be deleted. I can say, this man is my father. It's a complete sentence which delivers a complete piece of information. In this kind of sentences, it's wrong, it's incorrect to use that. Do not use that in the non-defining relative clauses. When you find two commas, and here a gap to be completed in a question in the exam, and in the choices you have who or that. Do not choose that, choose who. Although I've told you that this relative pronoun, that, can replace who, but it can replace who, or which in the defining relative clauses, not in the non-defining ones. When you find these two commas, it's incorrect to use that. Then I'm gonna move to whose. Whose is used to join two sentences together, and the repeated piece of information between them is about possession. Possession means something that I own, something that I have. Like, this is my brother. My brother's car is red. If you want to make sure that you chose whose correctly, whose has to be preceded and followed by a noun. It has to come after and before a noun. This is my brother. Whose car is red? Look at whose. It comes after and before a noun. It comes after my brother and before my car. It's preceded and followed by a noun when it comes between two nouns. This shows that you correctly chose it. Then, where? When the repeated piece of information is about a place, but not every place is replaced with where. Look. This is my school. My school is huge. My school. In another example, this is my school, my father works for my school. In the first and in the second example, the repeated word is my school. My school is a place. But in the first one, this is my school, which is big. And this is my school, where my father works for. Why have I chosen which in the first example, and why have I chosen where for the second one? Look at the second sentence. It describes the place itself, like huge. Use which. And look at the second sentence. When it describes something happens inside the place, use where. My father works for my school. It's about an event that happens every day that my father goes to my school and works there. Then, by the way, where can be replaced with by in which. This is my school in which my father works. But if you replace where with in which, we're gonna delete the pronoun the preposition, I'm sorry, for. Then when. When is used when the repeated piece of information is about a specific time, a specific date, a date of a birthday, of a feast, of a festival, etc. Like this is the Christmas. I meet my family on the Christmas. The repeated piece of information here is about the Christmas. It's a specific day, the 31st of December every year. I'm going to delete the Christmas from the second one and join these two sentences using the relative pronoun when. This is the Christmas when I meet my family on. And it may be replaced by on which. Like this is the Christmas on which I meet my family, but when you replace when with on which, you delete the preposition on, of course, like here with where and in which. Why is a relative pronoun that introduces a reason. This is the reason why I was sad or I was angry, and what explains a sentence which needs more clarification, like go and do what I told you. If someone heard us, he needs more explanation to understand what I've told you before. That's it. Thank you.